Using Library Resources for Biblical Literature Research. This tutorial was put together to help you find resources to support common assignments in TRS 97, or Bible and its interpretations. When studying and writing about biblical literature, you'll typically use three kinds of resources: Bible dictionaries, Bible commentaries, and scholarly articles. Bible dictionaries are fairly short treatments of the people, places, imagery, and teachings of the Bible, such as the historical significance of Jerusalem, how the word lamb has been used in various contexts, and how themes of flooding and water reoccur. This example of the dictionary entry for Lilith shows that the information is just a summary in about 1 page. The library has a variety of Bible dictionaries available in the reference collection on the first floor. See call number 220.7. These can only be used in the library or scanned. Some of the more popular titles include the Anchor Bible Dictionary and the New Interpreter's Bible Dictionary. Bible or biblical commentaries are more in-depth explanations and interpretations of books and passages of the Bible. For instance, what message is meant by the parable of the sower, what Cain and Abel's relationship represented, and the symbolism of God's creation of Adam. These are often available in entire volumes dedicated to a book of the Bible. This example of the commentary entry for condemnations of the corrupted heart in Luke chapter 16 shows that each verse of the passage is given a paragraph or so of interpretations and explanations. Bible commentaries are available to you in a few different ways. First, be sure to check your assignment prompt. Some faculty have put specific titles on reserve for your class. Ask for these by title or by call number at the service desk. You can also see commonly used commentaries on the first floor reference stacks right next to the dictionaries. You can browse the shelf like you did for the dictionaries, and like the dictionaries, you can only use these in the library or scan them. Again, check your assignment prompt. Your professors may have suggested specific commentaries. Some popular commentaries here are the New Interpreter's Bible Commentary, New Jerome Biblical Commentary, Ancient Christian Commentary, and the Anchor Bible Commentaries. Hebrew scriptures are blue and Christian scriptures are red. You can also find more commentaries in the second floor stacks. These are copies you can check out. You can browse the 220 call number range for a volume on your book, or you can search for specific titles on the shelf in Albert, the online catalog. The best way to do that is to search for exact subject for Bible and the name of your book. For example, Bible, Genesis, commentaries, or Bible, Mark, commentaries. Some popular commentaries in the second floor stacks are the Barat Alom and the Hermeneia series, but there are many more to choose from. And articles are the third main resource you may be asked to consult for biblical literature assignments. Articles are longer, in-depth discussions of passages, themes, and theoretical frameworks written by theologians and biblical scholars. For example, discussions of Jesus visiting the temple in historical context, a literary criticism of creation stories, or feminist perspectives of the treatment of Mary Magdalene. You can find scholarly articles in library databases. For the best databases, you'll want to see the research guide for theology and religious studies, and the subpage for biblical studies. The recommended database is ATLA. Some tips for ATLA are to click the Scriptures link and expand until you find your passage, or start searching by keywords of interest like feminist and Eve. As always, the SMC librarians are available for more help or direction. Just ask us.